Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So this video is about Instagram application and I would like to show to you the way how to use the invitation link on Instagram group chat. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application, and the next thing you need to do is just go make sure that you stay in the home section, which is in this side, and you just need to take a look on this top right corner. There will be two options there, so you just need to go click this direct message sections. Now you just need to open your group chat that you have on your Instagram, and if you want to get the invitations link, you just need to go tap the top side of the group, and there will be the second line called invitations link, so you just need to go click it. Now you just need to go click copy, or you can also just right away click share to give extra options how the way you share those link to your friends. So that is the way how to use the invitation link on Instagram group chat. So hopefully you enjoy this video and see you for the next tutorial.